Hello everyone. Again I am going to share some previous year questions of JRF examination. The first question is Pusa Barkha is an improved variety of. Options are bitter gourd, sponge gourd, ridge gourd, cucumber. Answer is ridge gourd. The next question is pinking is a physiological disorder of. Options are cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, kale. Answer is cauliflower. Next question is khara palak, katui palak are the variety of. Options are spinach, palak, sorrel, chakwal. Answer is spinach. The next question is which of the following is winter season crop? Options are French bean, lima bean, broad bean, wing bean. Answer is wing bean. The next question is cane basket are suitable for growing. Options are begonias, gypsophila, cactus, orchid. Answer is orchid. The next question is Rashtrapati Bhavan Garden, Delhi was completed in. Options are 1919, 1929, 1939 and 1927. The answer is 1929. Next question is Stanford is a variety of. Options are apple, avocado, fig, locust. Answer is fig. The next question is Wisteria sinensis produce flower in the month of. Options are March, April, mid-April, May. Answer is March. The next question is hypobaric storage is mostly used for. Options are flowers, tender vegetables, perishable fruits, mushrooms. Answer is flowers. The next question is Arka Bhavani is a variety of. Options are pea, French bean, cowpea, Indian bean. The answer is Arka Bhavani is a variety of Indian bean. Next question is Thar Kamal is a variety of. Options are tamarind, karanda, bale, jamun. Answer is Thar Kamal is a variety of karanda. The next question is dry matter yield is increased with the application of. Options are micronutrients, macronutrients, functional nutrients, all of these. Answer is dry matter yield is increased with the application of macronutrients. The next question is density of water is maximum at. Options are 0 degrees centigrade, 4 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. The density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. Next question is glycolysis is also known as. Options are EMP pathway, Krebs cycle, both and none of these. The answer is glycolysis is also known as EMP pathway. Next question is roots of beetroot is. Options are conical, neoform, fusiform, none of these. Answer is roots of beetroot is fusiform. Thank you.